person?
The higher the monkey climb, the more them expose. What is the meaning, aunt?
Well, there can be a person that was in once, and so because life started to turn their way, they start to go on as if they always have it good, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And so,
You have to remind them
yeah, you
of
have to
where
remind-
they're coming from.
that's right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You have to remind them to get back down to earth, or you weren't always in that position.
Sure.
Don't forget where you're coming from. If you forget, I'll tell you about it. And that's exposing you.
Mm.
New broom. You want to say that one?
Your room sweep clean, but old broom know the corners.
I like that one. I really like that
It's
one.
not very much.
Okay.
You can have a boyfriend, an old boyfriend, and then you get a new one. But the old one, there is something there that you love about him and he love about you. While the new one started to make trouble,
Mhm.
And then you eventually get back to the old boyfriend and be happy.
Because he knows the corner.
Yes,
Yeah,
because he
yeah,
knows the
yeah,
corner.
yeah,
He
yeah.
knows your ways.
Mm-hmm.
And you know his ways.
Mm-hmm.
Understand each other.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sorry for Maigre Dog. You want to say that one? Mrs. D?
Sorry for Maigre Dog, him turn around bite you. Aunt, will you tell her the meaning, please?
Well, it can be somebody that you used to be good to, and you're so good to them, and instead of giving thanks, then the person turn around on you
Mm-hmm.
and try to destroy you.
Mm-hmm.
You finish it out.
Yeah, that's right. It's ungratefulness.
Mhm.
You know, you're sorry for them and you do good for them. No sooner they're on their feet, they turn against you, forgetting what you have done for them.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
know,
yeah.
try to ruin you more or less if they can.
Mm-hmm.
That is so true.
Stay upon crooked.
And go straight.
You want to say that one again?
You stay on crooked
Mm-hmm.
and you cut straight.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime you're up, sometime you're down. Am I right, Aunt?
Yeah.
Second emotion.
Well, your life is not the easiest. You know,
And it's not the worst.
you're betwixt and between, more or less.
Mhm.
You know, and you have to rough it. You have to improvise. You know, and try and obtain a better life, a better way. You know, you don't just
You don't just give up.
And sometimes things can be so hard, but you're satisfied with the artist
Yes.
until life changes,
Mm.
and then you get the best of everything.
Mean I have no blue boots. You want to say that one, Mrs. D?
You don't have no blue boot to climb the 11th step. Miss James.
Now tell me your problem, because I have no luck. You know, I have no luck. You'll tell me your problem, I'll give you advice, or I'll interfere, and then you turn against me. You know, that's what that is.
Me,
think,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Don't have blue to climb 11 step.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, fire take easy if you catch. I think to say if you have a boyfriend and you leave him, it's easy if you catch back.
Easy to rekindle. The affection is still there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you meet and you have a dinner or you have a good chat,
And there you're
little
gone.
romancing, and you're back.
There you going back.
Yeah,
All fire take easy if you
you're
catch.
back together. Doesn't take much to light it.
One a dead in a dash way.
Mm-hmm. It's
No, they're not easy.
it seem you have a plant
Mm-hmm.
And this plant seemed to be dying. It has no life. You keep nourishing this plant. You keep nourishing it. And all of a sudden, your plant spring, it, it revive.
Mm-hmm.
And it grow into a beautiful plant.
Mm-hmm.
Something to be admired,
Mm-hmm.
you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because it wasn't dead. The life is still there.
Mm-hmm.
And because of care, it grows.
Mm-hmm.
So often, I like plants, eh?
Yeah.
And so often I get a plant or I'll have a plant. And for some reason it just seems as if it's dead,
Yes.
you know? And you pay a little attention to it,
Mm-hmm.
care it and so on.
Mm-hmm.
And
You leave your eyes stray out.
after a while, the plant begin to blossom
Mm-hmm.
and then it blooms.
Mm-hmm.
And you say, well, why not dead, not throw it away?
Mhm.
Or if I had thrown it away,
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't have this beauty now.
Come on, aunt. I mean, water more than flower.
At times things can be really tough with you, you know? And then you keep quiet and you just bear it. But no one knows that you're suffering. But you bear it until the time comes.
That's right.
Guess that's all we have there for now.
Well, that's been great. You guys have been great.
Your mother and your father was responsible. Remember when you couldn't even walk. Remember when you couldn't even talk. I say remember who used to wash your clothes for you, who used to wipe your nose for you, who used to hug and kiss you. I say remember who used to change your diaper, who used to find your